friend, welcome back to my channel Tech W3 Wave. This is Vijay Kumar. In the last lesson, we have to learn how to create custom search functionality in Lightning component. In this lesson, we will be see how to use Wrapper class in our Lightning component. So first, I will create our component. The name is Wrapper contact object. Then create an Apex class controller. Name is Wrapper contact controller. And here I will be displaying list of contact record using Wrapper class in our component Salesforce. So let's jump to my Salesforce org. This is my Salesforce org. So first I will open developer console to create a component and Apex class controller. So here file, new, and create a lightning component. Select lightning component. Then write the name of the component. So my component name is Wrapper contact object. Copy the name and paste here. And I am using CMP. That means Wrapper contact object component. And I am enabling the checkbox also. And then submit. Close the description component. Then open the controller. And after that, I will create a Apex class controller. So controller name is Wrapper contact controller. Copy the name. Go to the developer console. New, and there is a Apex class. Select Apex class. Click. Write the name of the file. Then OK. So here I will be creating method and create a Apex class where I will store a Wrapper class. That Wrapper class I will use in JavaScript and fetch the contact record using the Wrapper class method. Here I am creating a Wrapper class. Public class Wrapper custom Aura enable. I am using Aura enable because this Wrapper class is used in the Lightning component. At that Aura enable, I will create a variable string public string first name I create one string variable, copy the variable, paste and paste. I rename the name. So this is the for first name, this is for last name, this is for email, and this is for phone. So I will be display 4 column in the Aura component. First will be first name, last name, email, and phone. So I created 4 variable. I using at that Aura enable because this Wrapper class will be used in the Lightning component. So if you using Apex class method in Lightning component, then you will need to add at the Aura enable. After that, I will create a instance of. After that, I will create a. After that, I will create a Wrapper class instructor. So public class name of the constructor Here I will pass the variable as a parameter. So there are four variable: first name, last name, email, and phone. All of the variable are string. So using string, first name, string, last name, string, email, string, phone. Here this dot first name equal to first name, copy, paste four time. So first for first name, second last name, third one email, and fourth one is phone. After create a wrapper class, I will create method. So this is the closing tag of the wrapper class. After that, I will create a method. So public static list of, use this wrapper class name, wrapper list method. Here I am display contact record using wrapper class. So I will create a instance of contact new. Then I will create a instance of wrapper class. My wrapper class name is this. Wrap object list new. So I have created two instances, first for contact, second for wrapper. Then I will fetch the list of contact. So here phone item list equal to select ID, first name, last name, email, phone from contact. So I am fetching the list of contact here. After that, I will apply for loop, for the contact con list. Here I will add the list of contact value into the wrapper class. So here this is the instance of the wrapper class. So copy this dot add here, create a instance of new main wrapper class. This is the name of the main wrapper class. Here I will add the value. Phone dot first name, this one, copy this, paste three times. Second for last name, third for email, and fourth for phone. I remove comma from last value. After that, here I will return the value. Return So I am hiding the value in this list. So return this list. I am saving the file. So now I am getting error 16 line number. So here I am giving wrong, not use class here, only public and name of the wrapper class. So remove this. So public class, this is the name of the wrapper class, and this is the constructor. So in the constructor, not need to add class, only public and name of the wrapper class name. Then save it. Now file has been saved successfully. Now this wrapper class will be used in the controller JavaScript file init function. So in the wrapper class, I will use the init, and init function will be called automatically whenever component will be loaded on the page. So I will display the contact record on the load of the page. So I will use init function, and that init function I will apply the wrapper class method, creating a attribute or a handler name equal to init value equal to c dot do init. So I created Aura handler HNDLER. So do init function will be called automatically whenever this component load on the page. After that, I will create a Aura attribute name one item list type equal to list. Here I will create a div class equal to SLDS P around medium. So it will give a around side the padding. So it will be giving the space around the container. And here I will create a table class equal to SLDS table border SLDS table all border. Then T head inside the T head I will create a TH TR TH first name or last name for email for phone. First name, last name, email, and phone. Then start T body. Inside the T body, I will iterate the value. So where will be data come dynamically using the iteration. Aura iteration. Inside the iteration, I will display the data of contact. Here items equal to create a variable action equal to component dot get Here I will get C dot method name. So method name is this one, wrapper list method. So this Apex class method will be called in the action variable. Then action this action variable dot set callback. Set callback function. This inside the callback function I will use the function, and here I will pass the response variable get state. Create a variable response dot get a state. Here I will check the state. If this state double equal to success, where the capital letter success, create a variable result equal to response dot get return value. Response dot get return value. Here I will set the return value in the attribute. So this is the list of attribute. This attribute hold the returning value. Component dot set v dot name of the attribute, and then pass the return value. So this is a return value stored in the result. And after set callback action, this set callback action close here. So after here enqueue action, so at the rate dollar a dot enqueue action. Enqueue action pass the this variable name, because this variable hold the method of the Apex class. So this action will pass the enqueue action, then save the file. So file has been saved. Now this attribute value hold all of the returning list of contact. So here I will pass the one by one field name. So data come in this list, and this is the item will be applying the TT. So here one item dot name of the variable. So if you check the wrapper class, I have created 4 variable: first name, last name, email, and phone. This variable will be passed into the component. So first name, copy the TT, paste 3 times. So first will be first name, second for the last name, third email, and fourth one is phone. So save the file. So here this variable store the returning list of the contact, and this is the name of the value of wrapper class. So I defined 4 variable in the wrapper class. Both of the string, all of them are a string. So either or I enable string last name, email, and phone. So now this component will be called into the our application. So I will create a application. So creating a same, create a name of the application. So here, write the name of the application, wrapper, contact, app. So I created a application, lighting application, and this component will be called into here. So here I will be call. I am using extend horse collar SLDS. It will be inherit all of the lighting design system class name of CSS. Then C dot name of the component name. So my component name is wrapper contact obj cmp. This is the name of the my component wrapper contact obj cmp. Save. Then review the app. So I am getting error action. So in the component, I do not call Apex class controller. So the action method component does not find. So here I am using controller equal to pass the name of the controller. So my controller name is wrapper contact controller. So that time I forget the pass the controller name. Save. So I am passing the name of the controller top of the component here and refresh the page once again. I am getting error. Let me check. Here I am getting error message unable to find action. So the component does not find the action method of Apex class. So if you go to the Apex class, here I am forgetting to add the Aura enable. So if you calling the Apex class method into the Aura component, first need to add Aura enable. Aura enable. Then save the file. File is saving. File has been saved. Then go to the add and preview. Here you can see the list of contact record is displaying. So here I am displaying the list of contact record using the wrapper class in Apex class method. So I created Apex class method. Here I create a wrapper class. This is an instance constructor of the wrapper class. Then I create a method. So friends, try to do from your side in your personal org. If you getting anything of issue to fetching the record of contact using wrapper class in Lightning component, please write in comment box. Don't forget to check and subscribe my channel. Take W3 Repair. Thank you.